Well. Welcome to another entry into Dan's Beard's Diaries. Happy holidays to you, and before I get further into this, thank you to everyone that has stopped by Instagram and said hi. It's always awesome to put a face to a name. For those of you that don't know, I do have an Instagram, and Dan's Beard is my Instagram name. Now, for today's topic, I get this question quite a bit, whether it be on social media or whether it be when I'm out and about. How do you grow a beard? And the question seems very simple, yet not too many people follow through. And I say this because my number one suggestion, let it grow. Patience is key. Without patience, bad things do happen. And what I mean by that specifically, we start trimming things up a little bit and one thing leads to another and we end up shaving off our beard. Now, in order to prevent that from happening, don't touch it. However, it is okay to maintain your beard because a lot of us have jobs, bosses, clients that we need to look somewhat presentable in front of. And in regard to maintenance, what I mean by that is cleaning up your cheek line, cleaning up the side of your beard, down your neck, and also your neckline underneath your beard. Those are very safe places to start in regard to maintenance. However, don't get too crazy with cheek lines. Just clean up the hair that tends to be a little higher on the cheekbones, because another thing that happens is we go into the cheek lines and we start dipping down way too much or getting some awkward angles. And again, we end up shaving our beard off. So subtle. And again, on the neckline, same thing. Don't get too close to your beard, just clean up the sides. And going into the neckline underneath the beard, as your beard grows, slowly and gradually drop the neckline. So initially when you have the scruff, just let it go and keep it high and tight underneath. And again, it's a matter of preference. This is the way I go about doing it. And then as the beard, the body of length, or as the main body starts growing longer, that's when we can bring our neckline down. Now, my next suggestion in regards to how to grow a beard is nutrition. A lot of people don't think about that. But again, speaking from personal experience, I am a kind of, I guess you can say, a bodybuilder, more so a physique competitor. And when I get close to competition, I am running a caloric deficit, meaning that I cut my calories. And when you cut your calories, you also reduce the nutrition that your body is normally used to getting. And it's not really a well-balanced diet. And it's kind of ironic. It's a fitness competition, and yet when you look at it in reality, it's not healthy. All right, I'll stop that tangent right there. So make sure you have a well-balanced diet, and this is in regard to carbohydrates, protein, and fats. These are all essential for health in addition to hair growth. Now, the third thing is just general hygiene, going along into the maintenance aspect. And this will be covering shampooing, conditioning. Now, in regard to shampooing and conditioning, this helps pertaining to itchiness and dry skin. I've always shampooed my face just to make sure that I don't acquire dry skin, dandruff, and the conditioning helps with your skin as well. And this all caters to preventing itchiness. From my personal experience, what I use shampoo and conditioner from the Beard Struggle, and the scent is Viking Storm. It's a very clean scent, so I highly recommend this, but you don't have to get this product. Your general shampoo and conditioner for your hair should suffice for your beard. In addition to shampoo and conditioning your beard, beard oils and beard balms are also a tremendous help. Not only do they keep your beard hydrated, but they also protect your beard against external environmental factors. And these two right here are also from the Beard Struggle. I do recommend these. One of the reasons I do recommend these is I like the scents that they have. They're very clean, they're not overwhelming. So Beard Struggle, And again, just like with the shampoos and conditioners, you don't have to use this product, obviously. If you have something else lying around, feel free to use that. Now, one more thing in regard to beard growth and increasing the efficiency, brushing your beard. I am a believer in the stimulation of your hair follicles and it's increasing the efficiency of your beard growth. This brush right here, again, from the Beard Struggle, but like I've said before with the shampoo, conditioner, oils, and beard balms, it doesn't have to be from the Beard Struggle, but do find a brush that you find to be, I guess, comfortable, if you will, and non-irritating when you are brushing your beard. So yeah, beard brush. Okay, that concludes, I guess, some general pointers when it comes to growing a beard. Now, being that I've kind of let the beard grow, because I practice what I preach, if you will, I haven't touched it in a while because I am in the process of growing this out. So my cheek lines need to be cleaned up along with the side of my beard and underneath my beard. What I'll do is I will follow this video with another video that's gonna go into cleaning up the beard. As always, I hope that you found this video useful, perhaps intriguing. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe. Until next time, peace and happy holidays.